Hello everyone, welcome to the website Academy Investment. Today in this video, I decided to share one article I read recently about verifiable compute. And I want to build the connection between this and the GEM. A lot of people may not understand the GEM gray paper. And I will also share the opportunity in Polkadot from the verifiable compute. Verifiable compute refers to the ability to ensure the correctness of computations performed by a third party without needing to re-execute those computations. This is particularly valuable in decentralized and trusted environment like a blockchain and cryptocurrency network, where participants need to trust that computation performed by others are accurate. Vitalik said that ZK snarks will be as important as blockchains in the next 10 years. That's a bold statement, but there's a reason behind it. ZK snarks allow one party to prove to another that a statement is true without revealing any information beyond the validity of the statement itself. But that's not all. Verifiable compute is also used in layer 2 solutions like rollup, optimism, Arbitrum. Chainlink also use it to ensure that off-chain data brought on-chain by oracles is accurate. So this is crucial for smart contracts that rely on real-world data. Polkadot, a multi-chain network, enables different blockchains to interoperate. It uses a relay chain and parachain to process transactions with verifiable proofs, ensuring that state transitions on blockchain on the parachain are correct and consistent with the relay chain. However, the recent released GEM that's going to replace the relay chain by Polkadot highlights some issues with the current solutions like ZK snark. For example, generating a zero-knowledge proof for a computation can be 1,000 times to 100,000 times more expensive compared to natively performing the computation. So in the gray paper GEM, Polkadot proposed a new technology to compute or compile code in the RISC-V. A recent benchmarking report by the Polkadot showed that proof generation alone takes over 61,000 times as long as simply recompiling and executing, even when using significantly more resources. Polka virtual machine is based on the RISC-V instruction set architecture. It's comparable to EVM, but it's designed to be simpler, omitting complex instructions for crypto operations and the environmental interactions. So the design of Polkadot's next generation GEM is technically superior compared to other technology. It's optimized for efficiency and scalability, addressing the limitations of existing verifiable compute solutions. There are a lot of applications for the landscape, just like the Azo network is actually in the Peaq network, which is also a parachain in Polkadot ecosystem. And Dr. Gavin Wood also presented the GEM paper in Stanford and also in other universities in the near future. So all the top universities, Dr. Gavin Wood will visit and promote and share the GEM. Now I'll share some opportunities in Polkadot. Number one, Bifrost. Bifrost actually did pretty well in the Q1 and also is now the number one liquid staking derivative in the Polkadot ecosystem for the liquid staking, and they have a lot of collaborations like with Manta network. They are going to introduce vManta and you can stake. And also from the Bifrost ambassador Cam Book, she also shared the success of the vManta and also the tutorial. You can easily mint vManta and earn actual rewards. And so also Bifrost, they make a post on Astar network to register the liquid staking token vGlimmer, vFile, vManta on Astar network. So this is another great collaboration of parachain interoperability to bring more utilities for those V tokens. And all of you can participate if you are in Astar network equal, you can also reply and share your thoughts. I personally like that. I personally want to see more collaborations to bring more utility to different parachain in the Polkadot ecosystem. And so it's going to be a good opportunity now with Bifrost, their LST, and to register in Astar and bring more utility to the Astar network. And not only that, actually, in Astar network is also the number 2. They are doing great. Like the number 1 tab, Neurolanche, they are going to have the private sale quite soon. And this is one with AI and the GameFi and their new token. If you haven't registered the white list, you can do that. On the Bifrost, they also work with HydraDX, and they are going to add some BNC into the army pool. HydraDX is another opportunity I would like to share because they are the fastest growing liquidity protocol in Polkadot ecosystem. I really like their Omni pool, where actually combine all the liquidity. They have the OTC, they have the DCA, you can trade, and for all the token now, most of the token actually you can trade on HydraDX already, and they have very good liquidity. Right now they are getting more liquidity and added to their pool. So now you can trade Astar, Glimmer, Bifrost, BNC, all kinds of tokens, including Centrifuge, CFG. And then they are now getting some more liquidity, as you can see. HydraDX also will release the Honor. I guess it's a stable coin, so that's something more interesting in the near future. And as I also mentioned, Centrifuge recently have the governance call, and the HydraDX actually have the proposal to add more safety into the Omni pool. They already have requested the safety, and now they are going to request more. So you are welcome to join and share your thoughts. And the Peaq, as I mentioned, they are doing very good in the Polkadot as a parachain, and they secured 20 million in the largest coin list launch in 2 years. So now people participate their sale on the coin list. And of course, for those if you hold the Crash token, you may get the Peaq airdrop as well, and they have some more events in the near future, and I will be sure to share the updates. So be sure to subscribe, and there are more opportunities like InVArch. They have the InVArch Access Pass NFT holder. You are going to have the free Euro-Dollar NFT, and by the way, Euro-Dollar NFT will be joining the Astar network. And also the Miss, if they have the airdrop, and the Subwallet actually will support that, so be sure to check your Subwallet, then you will not miss the Miss airdrop. So it's going to be soon, I think. So let's just check the Subwallet. So alright, I shared a lot of opportunities, and also go over the concept of verifiable compute, and also the gem gray paper. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe so you will not miss any future videos. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.